Happy birthday!
Go.
Happy birthday, Gano Lolit. Thank you for cooking food and taking care of me. I love you. Happy birthday, Gano Lolit.
Thank you for your love and your guidance.
We wish you love, happiness, and more blessings.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolit. Happy 60th birthday.
Sa iyong 60th party!
Another year has gone around. Candles lit without a frown.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Lolit. Wish you all the best po. Salamat po kahit hindi ako nagtatrabaho sa Lexis ay naranasan ko po ang benefits ng company. Ingat po lagi and happy birthday.
Hi Ma'am Lolit, happy birthday! Wish ko po sa'yo na sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Always good health and more blessing to come. Thank you so much po sa tiwalang ibinibigay nyo sa akin sa trabaho at sa tiwala din po sa pagpapatera sa amin ni Michael dito sa Clarion ng Libre. Alam ko po na hindi ka perpektong tao pero gusto ko pong ipalam sa iyo na meron ka pong mabuting puso sa kabila po ng lahat ng pagkakamali namin. Nangingibabaw pa rin po sa inyo ang pagtulong at malasakit. Sa muli, happy birthday ma'am and God bless.
Happy 65 birthday, Ma'am Lolit. Wish namin sa iyo, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at good health. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na binigay mo sa amin. Muli, maligayang karawan sa iyo, Ma'am. Thank you.
Happy birthday po!
Hi, Ma'am! Have a wonderful day on your special day. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Stay beautiful as you are. Thank you for your guidance and for mentoring us.
God bless.
Happy birthday,
Ma'am.
Happy 65 birthday, Ma'am Lolit. Lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong kabutihan at malasakit. Ramdam po namin ang iyong pagmamahal at pagturi sa amin bilang isang tunay na pamilya. Isa po kayong inspirasyon, mapagkumbaba, matulungin at may pusong bukas para sa lahat. Naway pagpalain po kayo, masaganang kalusugan, kailangan at walang kumpay na biyaya. Happy birthday, Ma'am Lolit!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ma'am Lolit, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong sipin. Bigyan ka po malusog na pangangatawan.
At marami pa pong birthday na may celebrate.
Salamat po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
In behalf of Recluta family, Ma'am Lolit, happy birthday. More birthdays and blessings to come. We love you. God bless. Happy birthday, Ninang Lolit.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday po.
Hi Sister Lolit, happy birthday po. I hope your day is filled with love, peace and blessings from above. Thank you po for your kindness, your guidance, and for always being an inspiration to everyone around you. May God continue to bless you with good health, joy, and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day, Sister Lolit. We love you and we are so grateful for you. Again, happy birthday po.
Isa pa.
Sige. Ano mo na? Dali.
What did I say? Happy birthday, Sister Rodin. I know you are so
good to us, especially our Presidium, Queen of Peace, and you are very, very generous in giving us. And for me, personally, have been so good to each other, share each other's problems, share each other's happiness. I can assure you always that you are always in my prayer. And also for your family. Thank you for being a friend and a sister to us.
Yes.
Happy
Birthday Lolit. Happy birthday. There are many words or adjectives to describe you, like you are very kind, very humble, very generous. But I would like to summarize this in one word. You are beautiful inside and out.
Wow.
So happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday, yung Sister Lolit. Wish you always good health and may the good Lord bless you and your family always. Love you!
Love you! Pwede na.
Tama na daw. Tama na?
Oo. Red, kanta na muna. Oo, sige.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!